How to optimize profile for better visibility. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. Now click on the Edit button to start optimizing your profile. Begin by uploading a professional and clear profile picture that shows your face properly. Avoid blurry or casual photos. Your profile picture is the first impression clients get. Next, update your job title to clearly describe your main skill or service. Use relevant keywords that clients are likely to search for. For example, instead of just writing graphic designer, you can write professional graphic designer, logo and branding specialist. In the About or Bio section, write a strong summary highlighting your expertise, experience, and what makes you stand out. Keep it clear, concise, and client-focused. Adding your top skills, portfolio samples, certifications, and past projects also helps improve visibility. Make sure to select accurate categories and subcategories related to your services. Set a competitive hourly rate based on your experience and market demand. You can also update your languages, location, and availability status to make it easier for clients to find and contact you. Finally, review your profile and ensure everything looks polished and professional. A complete and well-optimized profile not only ranks higher in sources but also builds trust with potential clients. Now you know how to optimize profile for better visibility on people per hour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.